I'm confident that we can all agree that this car has a stunning design that immediately grabs your attention as soon as it enters your range of vision. Along with providing great performance, it also features cutting-edge technology that is superior to that provided by competing automakers in their most recent models. The Fifen RSN, also known as the Rising Auto R7 for those curious in its English moniker, is what I'd want to bring to you today. You might be surprised by the cost of this car. But before we shower it with praise, let's investigate what makes this car unique and consider whether or not it would be the best option for people who have already looked into the competition. The Tesla Model Y, Mercedes EQS EV, Geely Neo, and other electric vehicles in the similar price range are among of the best-selling SUVs and crossover SUVs on the market. The Fifen R7 SUV is a direct competitor to these models. The company that makes the R7 is Rising Auto, also known as Fifen Auto, a division of SAIC Motor, a major player in the Chinese auto industry. With its headquarters in Anting, Shanghai, and having been founded in 1955, SAIC Motor Corporation Limited, originally known as the Shanghai Automotive Industry Corporation, is a well-known state-owned carmaker. It has developed over time to become the largest organization among China's major four state-owned automakers. The history of SAIC can be traced back to the early years of the Chinese car industry in the 1940s, when it first emerged as one of Mao's China's elite automakers and produced the Shanghai SA 760 in particular. Through the establishment of a joint venture with General Motors in 1998, SAIC significantly strengthened its position. A wide variety of goods are offered under the SAIC brand, including goods under the names of the company's recognized joint venture partners. Notably, SAIC has two well-known brands in its portfolio, RO and the recognizable British automaker MG. Rising Auto was founded in 2020 as R brand, a spin-off from SAIC's RO brand that was focused on the creation of new energy and intelligent automobiles. The historical significance of the name RO comes from its former connection to the creation of cars based on the MG Rover models that were first produced in the United Kingdom. After that, in October 2021, the Chinese name, Fifen, and the English name, Rising Auto, were both announced, giving the R brand a comprehensive and significant identity. With the launch of the R7 crossover, Rising Auto's initial offers underwent a rebranding and a whole new product was introduced. The F7 Executive Sedan was the next model to enter the lineup after that. One of SAIC's avant-garde electric vehicles, the Fifen R7, supports battery swapping, a groundbreaking innovation that makes use of the new network of battery swapping stations that SAIC, CATL, and other leading manufacturers have collaboratively established. The biggest oil and gas producer in China, PetroChina, has also partnered with SAIC and CATL to create a joint venture specializing on battery swapping for electric vehicles. The joint venture has lofty goals for the future, including the opening of 40 battery swap stations this year, 300 stations by the end of 2023, and a whopping 3,000 stations by the end of 2025. Customers have the novel choice of purchasing the vehicle without the battery and afterwards selecting battery leasing via a practical monthly subscription. The Fifen R7 is quite large, having dimensions of 4,900 mm in length, 1,925 mm in width, and 1,655 mm in height. Its substantial 2,950 mm wheelbase contributes to its roomy interior and steady ride. The car's front fascia has two tiny headlights set at either end, connected by a sleek light bar with the large R crest in the middle. As you descend, you'll see cameras put in place for better safety. The R7's tough look is also greatly influenced by the black-colored cladding pattern. We will go into more depth regarding the extra cameras and sensors that are located on the upper sides of the Fifen R7 once we go inside. The design of the rear may make you think of other automobiles, including the Mercedes EQS line of electric cars. The rear light is a full-size bar that spans the R7's whole width. Interestingly, the rear design is even more distinctive than the front design since there are more angular and sporty components there than on the sides. From the whole back perspective, whose automobile does the Fifen R7 resemble? In the space below the comment section, we welcome you to discuss this issue. While not as unpleasant as having to wait for the door to close automatically every time you open it, the pop-out door handles offer a manual closing option that solves this problem. The vast variety of screens is one aspect that might persuade customers to choose the Fifen R7 over its rivals. The Mercedes-Benz EQS SUV and EQS sedan are two exceptions that provide the same set of screens, despite being much more expensive. Three parts make up this large screen configuration. The first component is a 10.2-inch gauge cluster in front of the driver that shows data including battery life, speed, and warning lights. The larger 15.05-inch touchscreen, which includes features like the rear-view camera, maps, Bluetooth connectivity, climate control, and several other functions, is located in the center. A 12.3-inch touchscreen for passengers is available to the side and is mostly intended for entertainment. It's interesting to note that it can also be utilized to convey directions to the map on the central screen for the driver's usage. For enhanced comfort, the front seat passenger has a leg rest and footrest that extend from under the dashboard. Additionally, the armrest that is situated between the driver and the front passenger doubles as a touch control panel. Even for taller people, the rear seats are pleasant because there is enough of headroom and legroom. Two cup holders and a small storage area are also located in the back for your convenience. The Fifen R7 is equipped with a cutting-edge Huawei AR HUD, augmented reality head-up display, system. The R7 also features a comprehensive sensor suite with 33 sensors that are placed thoughtfully all over the vehicle. A lidar, light detection and ranging, system from Luminaire Technologies, laser, powered by NVIDIA Orin technology, is a choice for individuals seeking even more advanced capabilities. The R7 can successfully sense and interact with its surroundings thanks to the outstanding 500-meter detection range of this lidar technology, which makes it stand out. There are two different battery options for the Fifen R7. The larger battery pack expands the range even further, giving up to 370 miles when completely charged, while the smaller battery offers an astounding range of up to 340 miles on a single charge. The R7 is an appealing option for individuals looking for rapid and effective charging solutions since, for those who choose the swappable battery, it provides the convenience of a complete battery charge in just 2 minutes. Rear-wheel drive technology in the Fifen R7 enables quick acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour in just 5.7 seconds. The dual-motor setup, however, provides even faster performance, with a quick sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour taking just 3.8 seconds. This places it 0.7 seconds slower than the Tesla Model Y performance variant and roughly 0.1 seconds slower than the Mercedes EQS in terms of acceleration. The Fifen R7's top trim level is equipped with dual electric motors that together provide a remarkable 536 horsepower and a maximum torque of 700 Nm. The single-motor rear-wheel drive variant, on the other hand, produces a maximum power output of 335 horsepower. It's important to note that the top speed of both variants is 124 miles per hour. To accommodate a variety of preferences and demands, the Fifen R7 offers a choice of pricing alternatives. It is a tempting option for people looking for a mid-range electric SUV because the base model starts at an alluring $28,500 and the swappable battery version costs $35,600. The non-swappable battery variants, on the other hand, range in price from $40,200 to $49,500 and offer a greater selection of amenities and personalization for those willing to spend more. It's important to keep in mind, though, that several test drivers have complained that the R7's brakes, ride, and handling don't quite match the car's outstanding performance. Even if these features are rated adequate, they could not live up to a person's expectations for a 536 horsepower electric SUV. In conclusion, the Fifen R7 represents a compelling addition to the world of electric vehicles. With its striking design, innovative features, and competitive pricing, it offers a promising choice for those looking to embrace the future of automotive technology. From its impressive battery swapping capabilities to its advanced AR HUD system and extensive sensor suite, the R7 showcases the cutting-edge advancements being made in the electric vehicle industry. Whether you're interested in the swappable battery version for quick and efficient charging or the non-swappable battery versions with a wider range of features, there's an option to suit various preferences. While it may not be without its minor drawbacks in terms of ride quality and handling, the Fifen R7's performance and value proposition make it a strong contender in the market, competing with some of the best-selling electric SUVs. So, if you're in the market for a vehicle that combines style, technology, and affordability, the Fifen R7 is certainly worth considering. Thank you for joining us in exploring this exciting addition to the world of electric mobility. Stay tuned for more updates on the latest innovations in the automotive industry.